Moin2 Darlings, welcome back to my YouTube channel with me here, Tilaknut from tilaknuthlifevlog. And to those of you who just watched my video for the first time, welcome. And please don't forget by click subscribe, like, share, comment, and also click the bell button so you will not miss when I have a new video uploaded. And to those of you already as my subscriber, thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate that. Is basically I want to do unboxing, just one unboxing, guys, not more. As the title from this YouTube videos, that I scored a Louis Vuitton bag or purse, I don't know what you call it, or pochette. Yeah, anyway, without further ado, this is the box that I get from them. So this one, you know, it's like a really big box. So that's why I'm gonna do unboxing now, guys. I want to show you what I get because basically I already got this already since 3 days ago, I think, but for some reason I still don't have time. Oh my god, guys, oh my god, wait, I'm gonna send it back. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Even though I ordered over online, but they do the packaging really good, you know. As you can see, also everything is perfect, no dented, no nothing. Yeah, for some reason the stuff that I'm getting now is, they said, is really hard to get since a few years ago. But the last few days I was just like checked over online. At first they said that the stuff is gone or the stuff is not available, so I left my email there. So for example, like if they already available again, then they can also inform me over email. But then you know, I just like every time I just open the website, try it, and then until one time at the same day, guys, the same day, that suddenly the stuff is available again. So I was like, okay, I'm just gonna try it. I opened my account at Louis Vuitton and then I just put it in the basket and then I do the payment, and then voila, suddenly it succeeded. So that's why I was wondering, you know, I mean, I really don't get it, how come? Because in the morning I tried, they said they don't have the stuff, but suddenly at, I think exactly at 1 p.m. or something, 1:30 p.m. or something, and then suddenly I made it without thinking, because I know this stuff is really hard to get. So that's the reason why I get it. So guys, what I get from them is, first is, this is the bill, or this is the, yeah, the bill, you can say. So, oh my god, oh my god, guys. So this is like I don't know, it's just like a thank you that you already ordered by them. So it's in German and also in English, yeah, and then also in French, and then this one I also get okay, this one, for example, like if I want to give back the stuff, if I'm not satisfied with what I get, and then they said that I have like 30 days of giving it back or sending it back. I also get the bill. Yeah, but for some reason there's no price in it here, because yeah, I bought it over online. And also I get the sticker. Means that if I have the sticker, if I want to give it back, if I want to send it back, then I don't have to pay a penny. So now we're gonna do the unboxing, guys. So the moment of truth. The moment of truth, guys. get here? Oh, they really tied it up, and I cannot do it with one hand. Oh, I can. Yes, I do. So now I'm gonna open it. The moment of truth, guys. So guys, I'm so excited. This is da-da-da. So guys, as you know, normally when you buy stuff from Louis Vuitton, you always get a dust bag, of course, as usual. You always get a dust bag and the box. And oh my god, guys, oh my god, but this one is made in Spain, they says. It's not made in French. Oh, and there's a faulty with it. You see, there's a faulty, guys. I just saw it. Look, it's really not done well. Oh, I think I'm gonna give it back. Look, I don't know if you guys can see that. There's a faulty here. You see, from the zipper. How am I gonna do this? Can you guys see that? Oh my god, I think I need to give it back. Anyway, but I'm gonna show you quick, you know, because this one is the toiletries or the toiletries or toilet, something like that. So this is the size 26. I have to see it later. And yeah, I want to see the inside, you know, because they have a bit zipper. And this one is the leather, of course, you know, this one is the leather. Only the other stuff is like monogram. Yeah, it's monogram canvas, you could say. And what I get from them is basically ooh, sorry. This one is the information that this thing is a coated fabric, cowhide leather trim. I don't know. And this one is basically you get the barcode with the number from the pochette, as you can see. And then basically this one is quite roomy, you know. I think you can also put some stuff like your handphones or your glasses. I will try it later. I will see it later. I will try it also. So guys, unfortunately, I don't think I want to put something inside, because when the shape is changing, I'm afraid that I cannot give it back, because yeah, that means that it's already been used. So I will do it once I get a new stuff, of course. Yeah, but the thing is, I just want to show you guys this pochette toilet or toiletries whatever in size 26. So it's quite roomy. Basically, you can also use it as a clutch, of course. Yeah, but they don't have any handles or sling back. But anyway, you can do it just like this, you know, when you go somewhere or to a party or whatever, you can use this one. And the space is very roomy. You can put a lot of things here. Basically, you can put your handphone, you can put your small wallet or your sunglasses or glasses or whatever, and maybe your powder or your lipstick, perfumes, that kind of things. I think it's quite enough space for that, because yeah, as you can see, this is very, very roomy. You see that, guys? Yeah, and this one is monogram print, so it's not damier, but it's the monogram, which which is the classic from Louis Vuitton itself. Yeah. So yeah, I think I'm very disappointed basically, because I was so excited to have the stuff, but because of the faulty, and I know it's this thing is really hard to get, so unfortunately I have to give it back, you know. There's nothing else I can do about it except of giving it back, because I don't want to buy stuff which is like faulty with it, of course, because it's also not cheap, you know. I mean, for small things like this, it's cost me 350 euros. You can also check it over online. So of course I want to get a perfect stuff, not the one like this. So yeah, unfortunately I have to return it, guys. I mean, not of my own will, but because of the stuff that I get is not perfect. I mean, don't get me wrong, but this one is really a faulty, you know. I don't know if I can show it to you guys. This one here, it's really a faulty. So I'm just gonna go to the store sometimes next week, and I will explain it to them, and I want to give it back. That's the thing. So yeah, oh god, I'm so pissed. So anyway, I guess that's the end from my unboxing scored items that I get from online, which is very disappointed. Yeah, but there's nothing I can do about it besides of returning it. So let me know about what do you think about this pochette, you know, the size 26, and it costs 350 euros. Do you think it's worth it to buy or not? Yeah, so please don't forget to put the comment down below, and let me know what you think, or let me know what is your opinion about it. And yeah, once again, please don't forget by click subscribe, like, share, comment, and also click the bell button so you will not miss when I have a new video uploaded. So I guess until my next video, guys, bye.